delivery. I have no idea what's in this box. Mason K sent it to me, so I know it's jade, but we're just gonna have to find out exactly what it is together. I should probably get a box cutter. I'm trying to open it pretty, but like, this is not one of my talents. This is really cool. So for those of you who don't know, Mason K Jade has been the leading supplier of natural... This is new. Mason K Jade has been the leading supplier of natural jadeite jade in the US since 1976. This has been stable for like an hour. So I just pulled the goods out of the box, and it's immediately apparent that Mason K focuses on customer education and authenticity. So before I even see the product, I have this card that says caring for your jade, with the item number and all of the contact information for the customer service representatives at the main office in Colorado. Oh, there's jelly beans! And they're the colors of jade! Ah, this is so exciting! So here it is. Beautiful presentation. Very sleek and simple. Oh. So this is nice because this could actually even be used as like a polishing cloth to keep the jewelry clean. This is schmancy. Oh, it's a ring. Look how beautiful this ring is. Ah, love me some lavender jade. So when you make a Mason K purchase, you get the certificate of authenticity, some really fabulous keepsake packaging for storage, for polishing, the jade colored jelly beans, information for jade care. There's a huge difference between Mason K and other brands, and they have a stellar 14-day return policy or 60-day exchange or credit, which you can learn more about on the Mason K website. If you have any questions about jade jewelry, or ordering from Mason K Jade, be sure to leave us a comment or contact Mason K directly through the website mkjadejewelry.com to order your one-of-a-kind forever jade piece. And you can even receive 10% off if you use the discount code JOT. This is just so exciting.